Most people get this wrong when they see Solitaire cash payment proof online. They find screenshots, videos, and social media posts showing withdrawals and immediately assume everyone is making money. But here's the truth, no one tells you. Payment proof only shows that someone received a payout. It doesn't show how much skill, time, or money was involved. In this video, you'll learn what Solitaire cash payment proof actually means, whether the app pays real users in 2026, and the important details most creators leave out. Let's get straight to the answer. Solitaire Cash has a history of paying eligible users who win tournaments and successfully complete the withdrawal process. Many payment proof screenshots shared online show completed payouts. However, payment proof should never be confused with guaranteed earnings. Here's how the system works. Players compete in skill-based solitaire games. Depending on their location and eligibility, they may enter cash tournaments. Winners receive prizes based on tournament results. If they meet the withdrawal requirements, they can request a payout. But here's the problem. Some viewers think payment proof automatically means every player is profitable. That's simply not how competitive gaming works. Take John as an example. He enters several tournaments and wins enough games to withdraw money. His payment proof is real. But another player with different results may not earn the same outcome. Performance matters. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The most important question isn't whether payment proof exists. The real question is whether you can consistently perform well enough to earn more than you spend. This is where most people fail. They focus entirely on payout screenshots and ignore the skill aspect of the game. In a minute, I'll show you the smartest way to evaluate any payment proof you see online. First, ask yourself 3 questions. Does the proof show an actual completed withdrawal? Does it explain how the earnings were achieved? And does it mention the risks involved? Reliable reviews usually provide context rather than just flashing numbers on the screen. Another thing to remember is that payout processing times and available payment methods can change. Always verify the latest details inside the app itself before making decisions. Now here's a quick win. If you're curious about Solitaire Cash, start with practice games and learn the scoring system first. This allows you to understand the game before considering any competitive play. So, what can we conclude from Solitaire Cash payment proof in 2026? Real payout examples do exist, and eligible winners can receive earnings. However, payment proof alone doesn't guarantee success for every player. Skill, consistency, and responsible expectations remain the biggest factors. If this video helped you understand what payment proof really means, hit the like button, subscribe for more app reviews and earning guides, and leave a comment with your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.